Hi, ladies. My name is Real, and I am an intimacy coach slash seductress with a service called Seductive ArT. In the Seductive ArT program, we focus on three specialized areas of sexual enhancements. The first one is visual stimulation. We teach how to visually stimulate your partner and also the personality that goes along with it and how you can transcend that throughout your entire sexual experience. And then we have real sex talk. Now we talk about everything sexually related. We share stories and experiences, unfiltered, uncut, unapologetic. These are all our experiences as Black women, but we're going to be in a supportive, loving, and safe space. Then we slide on our heels, and I teach ESS, which is an erotic, sensual, and seductive dance. Not only is it good for when you want to perform for your lover, boyfriend, girlfriend, boo thing, whomever, it's just a great way to keep in shape. The more physical fitness you do, the better like your overall being is, and you want your spur. Yeah, I said your spur. You want your spur to be good at all times. So this workshop is informative. It's interactive, as well as it's going to have tons of sexy fun. So I hope to see you ladies there.